Welcome to Conversations from the Heart. This is the space where we talk honestly about relationships, about healing, and the lessons that shape us. Today I want to talk to you about something we all experience but hardly recognize in the moment: the danger of rebound relationships. Rebound relationships don't heal the wound, they distract you from it. After the breakup, loneliness feels urgent, the silence feels heavy, and rebounds promise a quick relief. They make us feel wanted again, chosen again, alive again. And in those moments, it can even feel like healing, but it isn't. And here is the danger. Rebound skips reflection. Instead of thinking or analyzing what we've learned from the previous relationship, we'll run to replace it with someone new. So the pain doesn't get processed, it only gets transferred. Unresolved grief gets carried forward. Old patterns get replayed, and often the new person ends up paying for the wounds they didn't create. That's why rebound relationships often don't work. And they don't fail because the person is bad. They fail because the relationship itself is built on avoidance. Healing requires space. Grief requires honesty, and clarity cannot arrive if you're rushing to replace what you lost. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do is to sit in the discomfort long enough to understand it. Ask yourself what this relationship taught me about my needs, about myself, my boundaries, my patterns. Because when you take the time to heal and to know yourself, you avoid repeating the past and you prepare yourself for a healthier future. You attract someone that meets you where you are, not where you were wounded. And thank you for spending your time and having this conversation from the heart.